my name's Lydia Wolfe from Jack and the Wolf in the UK. Today I'm going to be using the TAMEFRIZZ Smoothing Lotion. My hair can be really prone to frizz and static, so when I want a smooth result, I blow dry with this. So now I'm going to head off and shampoo my hair. So I'm back, I've shampooed my hair, but I haven't conditioned because this product gives enough care on its own. Cool, so that's it, all finished. And as you can see, it's smooth, it's shiny, and it doesn't feel weighed down with product. Thanks for watching. Check out more amazing looks on the KMS Pro channel.